Good morning, gentlemen. In a moment while of time, you will be shown a picture depicting certain character, age and mood. In this picture, you need to write a story regarding the character. You will be given 30 seconds to record your observation, to observe the picture, and then you will be given 1 minute to record your observation. In the observations, you will be recording following features. First, sex of the character. Second, approximate age, and third, mood. For sex, if you had observed that the character is male, you need to write M. For female, F. And if you are not able to identify the gender, you need to write P. For mood, if the mood is positive, you need to write plus. For negative mood, minus. And for neutral mood, O. Age can be approximate age. After that, you need to write the action in only one line. One-liner action. That is, what is the crisp or gist of your story? Gentlemen, feel free to put your thoughts and imagination as they come to your mind without any regards for beauty of expression. Any doubt?
No, sir. No, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
So, gentlemen, the next task in the series is in the continuation of the same. A moment while ago, you were shown a picture depicting a certain character. So, the next test is in the continuation with the same. Now, you need to narrate the story one by one. You will be given approximately 1 minute to narrate your story. So, make your narration short and crisp. And if you are not able to complete the story on the written part, you can complete in the meanwhile during your narration. First of all, we will start from chest number 1, and as soon as I understand the concept of chest number 1 story, I will be shouting next. It is an indication for chest number 2 that his time has started, and simultaneously it is an indication for chest number 1 that his time has ended. And in a similar manner, we will continue till the last chest number. And the moment I will shout next for the last chest number, it is the indication for you that the time for group discussion has started. In group discussion, you need to work as a group and you need to come to a common conclusion and a common story. It is not the matter of being whose story is being selected. It is you working as a group and taking your group in a progressive manner forward, coming to a common positive outcome. Clear? Any doubt? Doubt?
No, sir.
Start.
In this picture, I perceive four characters. All of them are male, of age around 18 to 20 years, and they all are in positive mood. The action of my story is enjoying the beauty of the nature. The central character of my story is Rahul. Rahul with his three friends Lokesh, Saurabh, and Ayush have decided to go on a wildlife trip in Kerala. And Rahul takes the initiative and checks the weather before booking the tickets, and tells all of them to take the necessary item which were required in there. On reaching there, they enjoyed the beauty of the nature, and they looked plants and animals, and they also did elephant ride there. While doing that, after doing that, their mind was relaxed, and they started and this helped them in
Next.
In this picture, we can see four characters. The owner of the elephant, approximately 40 years old, and the three boys named Bablu, Ramu, and Kaka. They want to spend their summer vacations in their village. So they went to their village and after some days they saw an elephant, and they want a long ride of village, because they never seen the whole village in the short time. So they decided to take a long ride, and they went off from the house.
Here I perceive four characters. All of them are male. The main character of my story is Mohan, who is about 15 to 20 years old, and his two of friends Ram and Sham of about same age group. There is also a Mahavat, who is about 30 to 40 years old. The title of my story is Relaxing the Mood. After giving the 12th exam boards, Mohan get exhausted as he studied very hard for 12th exam. He seems to be very confident about his exam. Mohan decided to go to a trip with his two friends to Corbett National Park. He checked the weather and take tickets and planned with his friends, and they all went to Corbett National Park. They enjoyed the beauty of the national park. After that, they found a Mahavat. They requested the Mahavat.
Next.
From the following picture, I have perceived four characters. Three of them are the school students from age group 17 to 16 and 17 to 18. And the name of the students are Abhay, Sanjay and Ayush. The fourth character is the Mahavat, also known as the elephant trainer, who is riding Aravat, the name of the elephant. The title of my story is Enjoying the Nature. So my story begins with the school trip. APS number 1 has organized a school trip towards Kaziranga National Park at Assam. Three students, Ayush, Sanjay and Ayush, decided to visit it, and there they decided to explore the jungle. There they met the Mahavat, who led them towards the jungle. They took the ride of the elephant. As first they were horrified, but later they made a soft relation with the elephant.
Next.
As the picture shown to us, according to my imagination, there is four characters. Three is male and one is elderly male. Elderly male is known as the Rakesh. I give this name as Rakesh. So my story title is The Hardworking Man. They all the hardworking in nature. So they do hardworking in the studies and they go to the forest go to the forest beauty, and the elderly male, I thought that they are Rakesh. So they all go in the forest for the beauty. So they enjoy too much in the forest. So what I want to say that they enjoyed, and when they
Next.
From the picture shown to us, I perceive four characters. All are male and in positive mood. Ram was a college-going student who went for a picnic at National Park with his friends. He, along with his friends, enjoying the picnic, once he saw an elephant and started riding on him with the help of Mahavat. On the way, he found other elephant who was shouting in pain, and he, along with his friends, rushed towards him and helped him by informing the authority and give him the first aid. And with his efforts, the elephant gets some relief.
Next.
Hello friends, the picture shown to us have four characters. All four are male and all four are male and one character have age between 35 to 40, and the other three characters are age between 15 to 20. All are in positive mood. Raman saw in his childhood saw a elephant and wants to ride with him, but due to some reason he doesn't got the chance to ride. And one day when they were going for a picnic, this
Next.
In this picture, I perceive four characters, all male, age 13 to 16, in positive mood. Four friends, Sonu, Lala, Satish and Ritish, were spending their monsoon break with fun. They used to have their parent in wheat field. At the mid of their break, they thought to go in the jungle. When they went there, they saw an elephant stuck in a mud dig due to the landslide that happened earlier. They see the elephant in plane, so they rush to their father and tell him.
Next.
In the picture, I perceive four characters. All are male and of age group 18 to 20, and all are in positive mode. Abhay, Ayush, Shiva and Shubham are friends and they are in same college. So they booked tickets and came up to Kerala to enjoy and relax, as they were usually very busy and were in always tension because of the college assignments and other stuff. They have came here to enjoy the ride of the elephant and are enjoying also enjoying the natural beauty of the forest, the voice of the wind also. At last, they enjoyed a lot. And
according to the picture given to us, I perceive four characters in which all four are males and three are the students of group 18 to 20 years. And the person controlling the elephant is around age 30 to 35 years. They are in a positive mood, and the action of my story is enjoying vacations. Bandi, Bittu and Raju are three friends of class 12, and they have recently finished their UT1 exam, and after that they have their summer vacations. So all of them have decided to have some fun in their vacations with their studies. So all of them went to nearby park, all distributed some money, and they enjoyed the elephant ride. But they noticed that the elephant was not well, so they said to the person who was riding the elephant that take some precautionary methods before the.
Next. In this picture, I consider three children sitting on the elephant as the main character, named Rajesh, Mukesh and Kamlesh of village Dholakpur of age 15 to 16 year each, and all are in positive mood. One day, when these friends returning their home after their school, they saw an elephant near the school. They want to take a ride and ask the owner of the elephant. The owner agreed and give them a ride, and they all are enjoyed a lot. Next.
In this picture, I can see three characters: Rohan, Rahul, and Jeetu.
Ruja.
In this picture, I can see three boys aged between 10 to 14, Rohan, Rahul and Jeetu. They are three friends who lived in a small village of Kodagu. This village is famous for spices, forest and its wildlife. But hunting and poaching are some cruel activities that are taking place in the Kodagu jungles from last 15 years. The tusks of the elephant are used to make jewelry and ornaments, for which the elephants have to kill. The male elephant, Bhola, used to live with this boy from the last 15 years, and once a poacher shot him on the forehead. The children saw the incident and, being very confident, recorded their observations in the mobile phones. They went to the forest officer Kamal, but the forest officer was not
Next.
very honest.
So gentlemen, as we all see that most of us take as
same dress code, so we can say that they are the school boys. Out of that, there is a one man who is standing on the elephant. We can name the elephant as Rawat, and it is all looking like a gym, looking like an elephant trainer, which we call Mahabhat in Hindi.
So we can say that they are all in positive mood. So they have.
We can say that they are
Listen, gentlemen, we have to discuss the action now. The time is running, gentlemen.
So gentlemen, we can say that these all are friends and they have come to enjoy the ride and enjoy the nature, because they are being
First of all, they all went to Kerala to take a ride of elephant and enjoy the beauty of the nature.
So why have they gone? They have gone because they were.
I agree with you, gentlemen.
Gentlemen, I had already said that it is summer vacation. Therefore, they
as we can see that that's what I mentioned. So we can
Yes,
say that they are the school boys and they have come for the school trip.
Yes, I agree with you, gentlemen.
And I want to make some, as we all have said that they have visited the Kerala.
But no one can let them to go.
Why?
But no one let them to
If
go.
it is a school trip, gentlemen, if it is a school trip, then everyone will agree. No one will
agree to.
We should.
Why?
So gentlemen, as we all are agree that there are four characters and all are in positive mood.
Yes.
Which can be dangerous to
the story revolve around in a positive mood that they are enjoying their day and enjoying their trip, and there was an elephant who they are riding off, and there was a Mahabhat and who is giving them the pleasure of the elephant riding.
And so they seems to enjoy the natural beauty and learn about the elephant.
Yes, gentlemen, we can also add that one of the friend booked their tickets and check the weather and fix the suitable day.
And we can also add that the three of them were horrified by the elephant first, but then they have made a soft relation with the elephant, and later they enjoyed the journey.
And we also learn about the tendency of elephants, how they react.
We can see
Also, we can make that
They also explore animals as well as animals.
So it can be their village.
Okay, gentlemen, far enough. I got the idea and gist of your story. You all are more of interested in making the story regarding some picnic or elephant safari, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. स्टोरी ठीक थी. ये पिक्चर कुछ ऐसी थी जो मैंने शायद आप लोगों को पहले दिखाई दी.
Yes.
तो इसको लेके आपके जो आइडियाज थे वो पहले ही सही डायरेक्शन में अलाइन हो गए. ठीक है. कुछ लोगों की तो काफी सही से स्टोरी बनी. हाँ, लेकिन तुम लोगों की स्टोरी में जो नरेशन था उसमें थोड़ी सी गड़बड़ थी. तुम लोगों को नरेशन अगर 1 मिनट मिल रहा है तो आप लोग जो सीन दिखाया जा रहा है उस पर जल्दी से जल्दी आओ. उस पर लेट मत करो. उस पर प्रॉब्लम मत क्रिएट करो. समझ रहे हो? ये गधा इतनी प्यारी स्टोरी जा रही थी, वे उसको हाथी इसने फंसा दिया गड्ढे में. दिख रहा है उनको गड्ढे में फंसा हुआ कहीं.
तो 3 बच्चे निकालेंगे
घर में तो ये
इतना बड़ा हाथी को निकालेंगे कैसे? लॉजिक
मेरे को वो करो. पहली चीज ये. दूसरी चीज ये तो वही वाली बात होगी. घर में दिवाली का माहौल था, राम के हाथ में बम फट गया. क्यों फोड़ रहा बम भाई राम के हाथ में?
और पाँव फंस गए तो मजे कैसे ले रहे हैं?
तेरी स्टोरी में लास्ट में तूने तो कुछ ऐसे कुछ तूने लास्ट में क्या कहता?
मैं आता कि वो जो एलिफेंट था ना, उसको मतलब वो ठीक नहीं था।
हाँ बढ़िया है ठीक है भंडारी तूने वैसे तूने ऐसा हॉरिफाइड कर दिया लास्ट में जब तुम उसे घुमाने लेके जा रहे हो तो वो फालतू
ये मैं स्टोरी भूल गया था बीच में
हाँ,
बिना देखे।
और तूने इतनी तेरा कंसेप्ट बढ़िया है, तेरा बोलने का तरीका भी सही है, लेकिन तूने वो पता नहीं कोचिंग करके सर में गोली मार दी उसके
आगे का बोल नहीं पाया मैं।
नहीं मरा हुआ आती है आगे भी नहीं बोल पाया, टाइम तेरा कम बढ़ गया।
पुलिस वाले को भी नेगेटिव दिखा
समझ रहे हो? तो नरेशन देने का बिल्कुल क्रिस्प, आगे की स्टोरी तेज चलानी है, ठीक है?
ब्रेक टाइम के
Good morning gentlemen, in the picture I saw 4 characters, out of which they all are male and they all are in the positive mood. The center character of my story is Rakesh. He is of 19 years of age and he is in positive mood. The action of my story is enjoying elephant safari ride. Rakesh, after completing his second year of graduation, he thought for a refreshing his mind along with his friend. So their friend decided to go for a elephant ride in a Corbett National Park. Rakesh informed all his friends and they decided a fixed date of their movement. They also booked the ticket and make their necessary arrangement. And after taking the permission from their parents, they moved out on a fixed date. On reaching there, they quickly settled themselves up, freshen up, and they decided to move up for taking a ride. While enjoying the ride in the National Corbett Park, the most memorable moment was the elephant ride. When they were enjoying the elephant ride, when the elephant was moving through the zigzag path of the forest, it was making a very pleasant present for them. And they were enjoying the sounds of the bird and beauty of the nature and the flowing water through the forest. And this whole thing regenerated their mind and refreshes their mind. It was a beautiful experience for them, and while on their journey way back, they memorized this moment, and on returning home, they shared their experience with their family members and their younger siblings. तो इस तरह की स्टोरी जिसमें फीलिंग्स दिख रही है, आपको दिख रहा है आपने वहाँ एलिफेंट सवारी में आपने क्या ऑब्जर्व किया, मैंने क्या इंस्ट्रक्शन दिए थे, फील फ्री टू पुट योर फीलिंग्स एंड थॉट्स एज दे कम टू योर माइंड. फीलिंग्स डालो उसमें, प्लानिंग दिखाओ उसमें, जल्दी से जल्दी. देखो मेरी मैक्सिमम स्टोरी वाज कंसर्न्ड राउंड अबाउट एलिफेंट, मैंने तुम्हारा जितना टाइम लिया, बट मेरी पूरी स्टोरी एलिफेंट के राउंड थी, कोई इसमें प्रॉब्लम नहीं आई, सब कुछ स्मूथ हो गया. अरे कहानी का हर बार ये थोड़ी होता कि कहानी में साला विलन होगा ही होगा, हर कहानी का थोड़ी गुंडा होगा, कुछ कहानी अच्छी भी होती है भाई साहब, ये अच्छी कहानी में से एक है. इससे पिछली जो स्टोरी दिखाई थी उसमें प्रॉब्लम थी, जो फैमिली वाला जो गृह कलेश चल रहा था वो आपको रिमूव कर रही थी, इसमें आपको फीलिंग्स डालने थे, थॉट्स डालने थे. समझ रहे हो? तो इस तरह से आपको नरेशन देना है कि आपका ग्रुप कन्विंस हो, आपको सारे ग्रुप मेंबर्स को देखना है. समझ रहे हो? इस तरह जैसे जितना आपकी नरेशन क्वालिटी अच्छी होगी उतना टफ एंट्रीज, जैसे टेक्निकल एंट्री स्कीम होती है, टेक्निकल ग्रेजुएट एंट्री होती है, इतनी टफ एंट्रीज होती हैं उसमें आप फाइट कर सकते हो. ठीक है? एनडीएससी एंट्री में तो फिर भी इतना टफ कंपटीशन नहीं है स्टडी में जितना बाकी टेक्निकल एंट्रीज में. समझ रहे हो? इस तरह से काम करें.